Welcome to MySchool training. This video will look into a staff or guardian profile and how to set users as either staff, guardian or teachers. To create a new guardian or staff user, then go to the Administer menu header. Open Teachers and Staff. A list of employees appears, and in the bottom corner you can select New User. Here we'll use the new Quick Links Create button from the plus icon. The Staff Guardian profile is different to the tabs used for a student user. Enter users in the same way, then class them as employees if they are staff, attach them to a student if they are a guardian, or attach them to a class or course if they are teachers. The Particular tab contains the mandatory details needed to save a new user. These are name, gender, and ID. Users will need to have a primary email in order to have access to the system and receive their login details. When adding addresses for guardians, then enter the full details into their profile, and then create a household for them and the student. If the user has dependents, then attach them via the Dependents tab. Teachers and staff members can have dependents attending the school. They will have the possibility to switch portal views. In the Security tab, you set the status and attach the user to security or distribution groups, if appropriate. Each user is given a unique user ID. The Employment tab sets whether the user becomes a staff member of the school, with staff access to the portal. To set the user as active, then go to the User Status drop-down and Set as Active. You can change the school access levels in the employment context. Use the Qualifications tab to log diplomas and certificates for staff members. The Teaching tab determines whether the user becomes a teacher. Attach them to classes or courses. In case the user is a learning assistant or support staff, then attach a student as a mentor. The Timetable shows the user's timetable information. It can also show appointments, holidays, and the courses that are scheduled for that user. A better way to attach a guardian profile is to attach it to the existing student. Open their profile and go to the Contacts tab. If it is a new guardian user, then select New Contact. If the user has been created, then pick this contact and attach it to the student. The same mandatory data is required to save the user profile. Save it and then attach it to the student. Set the relationship and determine the access and contact rights. Click on the name to reopen the Guardian profile. Enter the contact info. The email address is needed for the user to be activated. Also, enter the address of the Guardian so it becomes attached to the student's profile as well.